Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by gathering every academic document required for the Muhs transcript request. Collect original mark sheets, degree certificate, and provisional certificate for submission. Keep your identity proof, admission number, and 2 passport photos ready for the file. Make photocopies of all documents and keep 1 set notarized if required by your college. Verify that your name and enrollment number match across all documents before proceeding with the application. Confirm any backlog or arrears are cleared with the university office prior to applying. Obtain the Muhs transcript application form from the university office or download it online. Fill the Muhs application form carefully with correct personal and enrollment details. Attach fees, receipt, and completed form along with photocopies and 2 passport photos. Double-check the form for signatures, dates, and accurate spelling before submission. Submit the application in person or via the university portal if online submission exists. Request an acknowledgement receipt or application reference number to track the request. After submission, note the expected processing time and tracking options provided by Muhs. Expect processing typically within 15 working days from the university after submission. Use the acknowledgement receipt or reference number to check status online or by phone with the registrar. If delays occur, follow up politely with the examination or revaluation department by email or call. Collect the transcript in person or authorize a representative with a signed letter and identity proof. Verify all details on the transcript before leaving the counter to avoid later corrections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.